actually morning at 5:20 a.m. They asked me to make her lunchbox. Okay, let's get started. This one actually very old one. It was mine that now she's using. So these containers, this container is a thermal, so to keep the food warm. So I'm going to pack my food here. I'm going to make egg omelette. So the small one, because it's small, so I'm gonna use only 2 eggs. Sugar. I usually use the brown sugars, but for this one, I don't want to make the egg omelette dark, the brownish, so I'm going to use the white sugar. I prefer the sweet omelette or brekkie or lunch. My mom always make this dish for our lunch boxes. Yeah, I have the younger brother and sister. Yeah. I added sugar and salt. I'm gonna heat it up. Spread some oil, cooking oil here. This one, I'm not gonna roll the egg over medium heat. Eggs. Can you see, right? Getting harder. So I'm going to mix to one side. I'm gonna lower the heat. This sweet aroma is beautiful. Then I'm going to flip this omelette. When we have this one at home, like one of the side dishes, I cook much softer and softer inside, like medium rare, something like that, very melty, creamy. But this one is for the lunchbox, so I'm going to cook a bit harder, still very spongy. It's like a baby skin. Hi, Whiskey. Are you awake? My son woke up. Good morning, Whiskey. Good morning. Good morning. And done. So the egg is done. So 3 pieces. Then you can just put as it is, like container. But I just want to make a bit cuter, so I do it. Right? So make the eggs stand, then diagonally cut diagonally cut, then make heart shape. So diagonally cut. Okay, cut right. All 2 and make heart. Okay. And one more time. Heart. Yay! This is my love to my daughter and everyone watching my cooking video. 사랑해요. The egg is ready. Jjigae, kimchi jjigae last night. I need to cut the chicken into smaller pieces. I slowly heat it up over low heat. Okay. So these are for my daughter, the lunchbox. Sous vide chicken and eggs with my heart, with my love, and kimchi jjigae. I just scoop up the kimchi only, as she requested, and then the rice cooked last night. You make I kept some portions. done. Ready. So this morning I filmed how to prepare a lunchbox for my daughter. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Have a lovely day, everyone. See you next time. Thank you. 감사합니다. 사랑해요.